Hello everyone, I am R. Yashwant. I am doing my bachelor's degree in the stream of Mechanical Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, I am going to share about a video resume about me. After my higher studies in Nithya Vikas Sindhu Matriculation Higher Secondary School, I was interested in designing and manufacturing. So, I chose Mechanical Engineering in SNS College of Technology, by following a design thinking curriculum. In my education career, I am having a current CGPA of 9.03 up to 5th sem. During this lockdown and pandemic situation, I learned more knowledge via online sources like Udemy, Unacademy, and Great Learning app. I learned AutoCAD and Autodesk Fusion 360, Inventor, like other softwares, which is a core designing software for mechanical engineering. I learned more knowledge in designing and I completed a pre-credit course in NPTEL, which is an additive manufacturing technology. It's nothing but it's a 3D manufacturing technology instead of a subtractive manufacturing. This is a upcoming technology in this current industry field. So, I was developed a designing skill as well as a 3D printing skills by attending an NPTEL course, and I get a mark of 68% in the NPTEL course. In the part of innovation, I and my team always innovate new projects. In that, in first semester, we created a floor cleaning machine, which is useful for all laborers who work in schools, industries, and colleges as well. And that we developed a customizable phone stand, which is useful for school students in this lockdown to attend classes and meetings, etc. via online. It is a multi-purpose phone stand at affordable price. In this phone stand, we added a new technology. As I said before, we introduced a new technology, which is an 3D printing, which is additive manufacturing technology. And we checked a physical and mechanical property of mild steel EN90, which is a mini project for our third semester. As a connector of industries, I attend various internships. One of the internship, which is a designing and optimization engineer in Mechathon Private Limited, Kanchipuram. I attend this internship via online. It gives more idea about flow calculations and designing in Fusion 360 software. We developed a X-Alpha pump, which is a multi-plunger pump. And I was an Autodesk ambassador, and I was in the level of silver. I attended various events in this lockdown. Especially, I won a first place in Army Institute of Technology. They organized a event which is an AutoCAD 2020, and I got a first place with the reward money of 2000. And Bihar Institute of Technology has conducted an event using a CAD modeling, and I was selected at top 5. And in the year of 2021, All India Agri Hackathon were happened, and we submitted our abstract and we selected top 300 in that. As a social responsibility person, I joined a hand with Workers Foundation, and we planted more than 5,000 trees in the year of 2015 in the Mettupalayam site. Thank you for giving the wonderful opportunity to explain about me in the way of storytelling.